With the heat index, it felt like 113 out there. So I didn't want to turn on the stove and heat up the house anymore. So here's my recipe for a quick lunch. So here's how I made a warm meal, but with only turning on the stove for maybe 5-6 minutes. I cleaned and depuped my shrimp, blotted them dry as much as I could, and put them onto the skillet. It's gonna go fast, so watch. Salt and pepper to taste. Some lime juice, as much as you like. Also cutting up some cilantro. So we got butter, garlic, toasted garlic, cilantro, and that was it. Heating up the comal would mean it'd be hotter in the house, so I'm heating up the tortilla straight onto the flame. Now, if you've never had a charred tortilla before, you have no idea what you're missing. So pretty much just make your taco, add some cabbage, some crema, some queso fresco, and that's it. Say your prayers.